Alright, let's get some McTickler practice in here. Got some American locks. This is a 5-pin bitting, nothing too crazy. Let's get some McTickler practice in. I'm gonna try to single pin pick. You know how hard that is for me to do. Good clicks. Good click and false set. Thought I had it there for a second. Left open binder. Good click and open. This one is a little bit of crazy bidding. This one can take a moment or two to crack. Going 40 top of the keyway. Kind of like it for the American locks. Clicks. Okay. Of course. Good job. Got overset somewhere. Do some tension bouncing. Good clicks. Good click. Not sure. Overset, I think. Maybe. Good clicks. Good clicks. Not overset. Good clicks. This is a 5-pin. There we go. Good click, false set. Get the last pin. Last 2 pins maybe. Click it open. Yeah, that's a little bit of a doozy. Here we go for this one. Bang on this one. This is a 5-pin also. Says there's 0 lifts in it. So easy to overset. I think I already did. Oh, there we go. False set. Overset. Let's see if we can drop it down, get a false setback. Nope. Alright. Get a little zippy here. Alright, open. We'll do this one. This is actually that 6-pin. This one's probably going to give me the most trouble. But we'll see. Oh, wants to go, I think. There we go, and open. And the Paclock. This is 7-pin, blue belt. We're actually going to go 50 bottom of the keyway. Click. Click. Notice I'm using heavy tension. I always use heavy tension. This way I know I get good clicks or not. I think. Really getting closer. Oh, there we go. Good click. Good click. Okay. Okay, give me 1 second. Almost done here. Go over the top there. Come on. Trees in the way. Okay, hold on 1 second. Of course, now I'm under pressure. There we go. Come on. That's the longest this lock's ever taken me. There we go, and open. Okay, McTickler practice.